All right, and now the breaking updates straight away going across to the pictures that are coming across of the protest. The People's Alliance for Gupkar Declaration, they're holding a protest march against the draft proposal of the Delimitation Commission increasing Jammu's assembly seats by 6 and Kashmir only by 1. Those are the pictures of protest. Zeenat is reporting live from there. Zeenat, quickly get us the updates as to the protest march that is being carried out, what has been described as far as on the Delimitation Commission proposing 6 additional constituencies in Jammu division and 1 in Kashmir. Over to you.
See, Amita, today once again we witnessed a protest by the PAGD leaders, although the main leaders have been placed under house arrest, but the workers, the local leaders of National Conference, PDP, even the Tarigami, who is the spokesman of PAGD, he also put out a tweet and also made a statement that the government of India is really scared. In fact, the walls have been erected and they are not allowing even the peace protest. In fact, as I'm reporting outside the National Conference headquarters, Nawaz, where you can see not only the barricades have been put in, but the leaders who tried to carry out the protest, they were sent back. Similarly, the PDP, People's Democratic Party, that is being headed by the Mehbooba Mufti, though the Mehbooba has been put under house arrest, but the local leaders from different parts of the district carried a protest just outside the presentation convents. They too were sent back. We are seeing that the leaders are wanted to carry a sit-in and a silent protest as after they brought out the press release on 21st of December. The Farooq Abdullah chaired its meeting of the PAG leaders in Jammu on 21st. There it was decided that they will be having this protest on 1st of January, but the administration did not want it to take any kind of chance. So the roads leading to Gupkar have been completely sealed, and not only the administration but police is also not allowing them to come out, although Umar Abdullah has trained guns towards Jammu Kashmir administration and all the police that this is the beginning of the 2022 where they are not allowing even the normal, the silent and the protest, because the protests were for the recommendation that had come from the Delimitation Commission, where it has proposed that the commission may increase the seats number for Jammu to 6 and in Kashmir to 6, although National Conference has already expressed their reservations for the proposed draft, and also the other leaders have expressed their objection as far as the proposed draft of Delimitation Commission is concerned.
Right. So the sit-in protest that was comprising of the National Conference, the PDP, the CPM and the Awami National Conference, what is being said till now that many of those top leaders have been asked to stay indoors at this point, not to create any law and order situation there at this protest march that was being carried out in Kashmir. For the moment, thanks very much, Zeenat, for joining in. We move on now to national news.